Hello everyone and welcome to Bumby. Today I wanted to give you a little home tour after Christmas and how I've been decorating before I transition to my Valentines decor. So let me take you real fast around so you can see what I've done. Okay guys, here we're going to start with my dining room table. The napkins in the runner is a Target dollar spot. Is where I purchased. This tray is also from the Target dollar spot. As you remember in that Target haul, this said hot chocolate for 25 cents. But I was lucky enough because instead of giving me 4 napkins in the pack, they gave me a 5th one. So I just went ahead and added this napkin to the wording where it says hot chocolate 25 cents. In the tray, I went ahead and added to the side these little white IKEA little cups that I got at a garage sale for the 3 of them for $2. They were brand new in a box. Then the little teapot is a set with the coffee cup and the saucer and the little sugar. And that set I got at Salvation Army a couple of years back for $4. Where the tray is on each side, I have a milk glass vase with some Dollar Tree baby spray. And I just added these little dishes. I didn't go with silverware, glasses, or any more plates. I just wanted to keep it as simple as possible. Over here, coming to my china cabinet, the top here where I have those plants, I am going to be removing the milk glass because I did get a cabinet to place all my milk glass. So that is not finished there. I did add this china plates that are vintage that were my granddaughter's great-grandmother or something like that, and I am storing these for my granddaughter, and I just went ahead and placed those since it matches the colors of the dining room table into my china cabinet. I do have some milk glass pieces as well that I will be removing. Okay, up here in the entertainment center where I have my TV, you have this little black tray, and I just added some 99 cents only birds that I just picked up, and then this bird that I picked up at a thrift store, and then that's a little Dollar Tree little trinket box, and I added a plant from the Dollar Tree and some baby spray. This here on top is this I just purchased at LTD. Calamines. I really like that online store. I'll leave the link below if you guys are interested in checking it out. That was on clearance. It lights up, but I have not installed the batteries on that. Just put it on the wall and put some Dollar Tree's baby spray. Here is the TV, and here is where I always have this wreath. I change it out depending on the different seasons. Here I have a wrought iron bicycle with a real plant. Up here I have my wooden box. You guys have seen that before with a real plant. Above the TV I have my Gather Here sign. And then moving on this side here of the wall, I have my baskets that you guys know I really love. With my shutter and another smaller shutter, and then a real plant. Coming to the entertainment center, on this little square here, I have a sign that says do something amazing every day. I believe I got that at the 99 cent store. I have a basket with just different little natural balls and just some stuff I just put there together. In this little area here, I have a vase, I have an owl, on an old-fashioned candle holder. I have a dried flower frame in the back, a little birdhouse, lantern, one of my clocks, and a Dollar Tree sign that says "Bless this home and all who enters." Over here on this side of the entertainment center, I have my vintage suitcase with 3 natural plants. I have a little bird cage that I actually found in the trash around Christmas time with the white bird from the 99 and a Dollar Tree succulent. I bought this picture frame and it was all about wine. I painted it this real sagey green color. I chalk painted the middle and I wrote grow. There is a candle. Here's my vintage iron from the 1800s. And then up there I have a sign that I put on a candlestick that says "Walk by faith, not by sight." On the bottom of that shelf, I have here a basket, a big lantern. I have some books with 2 and signs. In the middle of the entertainment center, I have my clock collection, and these I've gotten at different thrift stores or garage sales. I have not purchased any of these new. Okay, coming over here to this corner where I have my chair where I always sit when I do my videos. Over here, I just have here a plant of the mother-in-law tongue, and those are just in water. And these canisters I got after summer or spring sale at Michael's for 90% off. So that was just, that tin was just a couple of dollars. Over here I installed this time a shelf that matches the shelf on the other side of this wall. Here is a Target home banner from the Target section. On the shelf I have this bee that I actually made with material and rope. As you can see, this is what it looked like, but I believe I only paid for this bee like 30 or 40 cents and a Michael after sale or something, this big clearance that they had. This plant my daughter gave me. She surprised me Thanksgiving and she brought me this live plant. And as you can see, I have these 2 little $1 birds from the Target spot. This welcome sign was a sign that we got for the wedding, and I'm going ahead and using it here. This is a Dollar Tree Bless This Home sign. This little box here I made with popsicle sticks, guys. And I just put a little terracotta pot from the Dollar Tree and also a succulent. This birdhouse here was also made from popsicle sticks. I'll insert the video if you want to see how I made that little birdhouse. This little house here I've had for several years that I got at a thrift store, and hanging here I have a natural plant. So that's what this area here looks like, guys. So next we have my coffee bar station, and as you can see, instead of bringing back my vintage beverage cart, I decided to keep this entry table. I think it's just better suitable for the space. It's not as wide, so I do have more room in this area. And I did have these baskets in my dad's room in a corner full of home decor and things that I picked up at thrift stores. So I went ahead and added these 2 pillows that I had in the closet. And as you guys have seen it before, I have my coffee machine. I went ahead and added my IKEA white mugs to this coffee mug holder. There is my Christmas gift, my hot cocoa carafe for my daughter. And I just have some wooden stir sticks. There is my porcelain little coffee station. And in here, I have creamers. And yeah, and then in here, I put some of my copper mugs that I found in my butler's pantry closet. And here, you guys have seen this before. We have instant Cuban coffee, we have hot chocolate, we have apple cider, we have tea, Splenda, sugar, honey. So you guys have seen that before. And then up on top, I have this vintage copper tea kettle that I just absolutely love. I never really displayed it, so this time I decided to display it. And then up on top here, I have 3 more of my IKEA mugs. I have my coffee pods. And then on this shelf here, I have my 2 topiaries that I got at a thrift store. 2 espresso white cups. This I got like 10 years ago at a garage sale. It says Café de Cuba. And I got that for $0.25, guys. And then I have my vintage cafe tin up on top. So this time I've kind of stayed within the neutral colors, more of the farmhouse look. Over here by this vintage telephone table, I have a natural plant, a little sign that says Grandma's Rules or None, a little bird inside a basket. I have these little birds in this little birdhouse. Right over here I have this picture frame that I took the middle of the printing off. So I only got this frame for $2, and then I put a cotton stem wreath in the middle of the frame. Over here again, you guys know me and my natural plants. These are natural plants with a stay-at-home Dollar Tree sign, a porcelain little bird that I got at a thrift store. That sign, Be Fabulous Today, was given to me by my middle child and his girlfriend. I have a basket, and then this little screen door I've had for like 20 years that I got at LTD. Okay, here I have my little vintage chair that I love so much. And over here, what I did is I took the table and I kind of cornered it. And I got a new lamp. So I got this industrial lamp through LTD. And in the middle here, I have a little plant, natural plant. Here I have this jug with some cotton stems, my vintage breadboard, a basket. Here I have some pictures of my mother, and just a candle. Okay, over here by the couch area, I have this ottoman that matches the couch. That's really comfortable, guys, because you put your feet up and watch TV. I haven't been able to find the perfect tray for this section. I thought when I got that Target tray, I was going to set it here. But then all of you guys out there told me, don't paint the hot chocolate 25 cents, you're going to regret it. So I didn't. So now I'm using it at the dining room table. So this for now is the tray that I do have. And then I just have a pretty little throw here on the bottom to lighten up the dark brown. Basically everything here is the same. I did cover these colorful pillows with the auto microfiber from the Dollar Tree, and I'll insert a little clip so you can see how I made these pillows. To make my pillows very neutral, I use this Dollar Tree super soft microfiber cloth, and it's very soft and like furry. So I'm going to go ahead and take this pillow that I have and cover it with this soft. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here. I'm just going to take the edges right here and the edge here, and I'm going to glue it down with my glue gun. Just right here on the edge. This edge to this edge. I'm going to go all the way. And see guys, this is how it turned out. And I got myself some new pillows, very settled, cream colored, for just $1. Guys, I finally got my curtains. So excited, in a cream color. They have like a damask little print to them. I'm so blessed. I only paid $4.99 each panel at the 99-cent only store. So happy that I got rid of those teal colored curtains. Right here I just have a Dollar Tree willow wreath with just a bow in burlap with some lace. It is very stormy outside and raining. So over here I have this beautiful canvas. It's one of my favorite pieces here with a little teal bird on a branch. Over here in my vintage carafe, you guys have seen this before. I just have old pieces of branches that I picked up from an open field. But I added a basket and some Dollar Tree rocks. And then I got this little sign for 75 cents at a thrift store a couple of days ago that says, "Love makes this house a home." So I kind of just placed it here in the center. Over here, I'm not really done with this. I like the box look with the white little carafe, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in the middle here as stems or floral. So you guys know I don't really like fake flowers, so I'm limited into what I can really use. Here are the dogs. My dogs love to sit up here by the windows and just look outside. They're cold. It's really cold. Apple corner kind of stayed the same over here. Just added that bee that Lauren made out of wine corks for me. I added this Eat Your Veggie wooden spoon. And then of course the apple Christmas tree was put away. And you know what? I'm thinking of getting rid of this apple corner over here. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do. I'm kind of more into the neutral colors for right now. And then over here I have this little piggy with my cinnamon tin. And then I have my little Coca-Cola collection over here. And a little table. And then my bed warmer. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And we'll see you on January 26th. To see how I transition this house into a Valentine's decor. It's going to be all DIYs from the Dollar Tree. So make sure you subscribe and you follow me so you can see all the different projects and DIYs that I'll be doing using Dollar Tree items and converting them into farmhouse neutral color decor. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.